Hello guys and welcome back to How to Grow. Today we're going to be learning how to turn off your activity status on Instagram. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on your notification bells to get notified every time we post a new video. Without further ado, let's get started. First, open your Instagram app and then go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon that appears on the bottom right side of your screen. Go ahead to the hamburger menu that appears on the top right corner of your screen. Now tap on settings and privacy. Scroll down until you see the option of message and story replies. Under this, you can see show active status option. You tap on it. Now you can see that it is enabled, which means that accounts that I follow and anyone that I message can see when I am last active and when I'm currently active on Instagram. So to turn this off, I simply toggle the switch and disable this option. As you can see, now my activity status will no longer be available for people that I follow or for the people that I message. And this is how you can turn off your activity status on Instagram. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.